Okay, so good afternoon, student. So today, okay, Kirtika, in previous class, how much we have done? From how to find the frequency to cumulative frequency to frequency, this one we have done, no? Yes or no? Oh, okay. Median for continuous series. Okay. Okay, see. If median is given, okay, and frequency, cumulative frequency is given, then how we can solve? Like, wage rate and CF is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, okay, and respective cumulative frequency. This one is given. Okay, so from the cumulative frequency, first we need the frequency, okay. Otherwise we can't find the median. So how we find the frequency? From this, Kirtika, tell me. Okay, so first one, this one frequency 15. In the, if frequency is given, how we find the cumulative frequency? We find the cumulative frequency, we add successively all the frequencies. So here first one is the frequency 15. Next, if we subtract it, 35 minus 15, and we get 20. Next frequency, same, 60 minus 35, 84 minus 60, 96 minus 84, 127 minus 96, next 198 minus 127, next 250 minus 198. Understood up to this, Kirtika? From how to find the frequency to cumulative frequency? Understood or not? Okay. Now, our total frequency, summation F, that means capital N, is equal to 250. So, we can find N by 2 or median M is equal to size of N by 2 item. So, size of N by 2 means 250 divided by 2 item, that means 125th item. So this 100 pip lies on which CF? Which CF? Tell me. this 250. Lies on VCF 125. See, this 125 is lies on 127 because 96 is less than 125. So respective frequency is 31 and preceding CF we take 96. So here, yes, you've written the wage rate. Have you written the wage rate? Next, write down CF. 15, 35, 60, 84, 96, 127 and 190. Write down this one. Last column, write down F. I dictated it, you write down F. Then write down 15. Write down 15. Next, 35 minus 15 is equal to 20. Yes, write down. Next, 60 minus 35 is equal to 25. Next, 84 minus 60 is equal to 24. Next, 96 minus 84 is equal to 12. Next, 127 minus 96 is equal to 31. Next, 198 is equal minus 127 is equal to 31. Next, 198 minus 127 is equal to 71. Next, 250 minus 198 is equal to 52. Okay. Last, at the end of this, give one line, and after this line, write down summation F is equal to capital N is equal to 250. If we add all this frequency, then we get 250. Now we have to find out the size of the item. So size of 250 by 2, this item, so median is size of 125th item. Okay, write down this one. Next, see, this 125 lies in 127. So we take respective frequency is 31. See, the respective frequency 127, this CF, this respective frequency is 31. Okay, so we put in the formula. So our formula for the median is M is equal to lower limit plus N by 2 minus preceding CF divided by F into class interval of the median class. So lower limit of median class is what? Tell me, Lower limit of median class. Kritika, lower limit of median class. See, this CF lies in this n by 2 lies in which CF? Respective, this class is the respective median class? No, why it is 12? See, 125 lies in 127. Up to this, understood or not? Understood? Yes. So, see the median class. If this one is the respective CF, then see the median class. Median class is 50 to 60. Here 50 is the lower limit. So, our lower limit is 50. Then n by 2 is 125. And this CF, we don't take this CF, we take the preceding CF. That means 96 divided by respective frequency C, 31. And class interval of the median class, 60 minus 50 is what? 10. Now clear or not? Yes. 50 plus understood? Okay. Done? Okay. So this one is cumulative frequency is given. Then first we have to convert to this cumulative frequency in frequency, and then we find out the median. Okay, next, if the median in case of inclusive series, okay? Okay. So, if the marks and number of students, this one is frequency, okay. This one given 11 to 15. Respective frequency. see this lower limit and upper limit. These are not the exclusive series. These are under the inclusive series. So we have to convert into the exclusive. That means, see, this upper limit of the previous class is not equal to lower limit of the next class. So we have to equal them. Okay. How? We have to do equal them. How? So we subtract 0. The formula is what? We subtract the 0.5 from the lower limit and we add the 0.5 to the upper limit. If we subtract 11 minus 0.5, then we get 10.5, and if we add this to 15.5, then we can get 15.5. Understood? Yes. Yes. Understood or not? Then write all this 15.5 to 20.5, then 20.5 to 25.5, so these are, now see, the upper limit of the previous class and the lower limit of next class are equal. Okay? Clear? Now same thing, CF. Okay. Now this one now you can do yourself. Okay. Okay, so this one do yourself at your home, and only now we show the how to find the mode, then completed for this half yearly. Okay, and students, up to this any problem? Okay, so for today I will end up here. Next day I will continue this class after Diwali vacation. So you will spend safe Diwali and happy Diwali. Okay. So for today, bye and thank you.